Guys, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R, and I'm Miss R, and today I will be making some wall art for my bedroom and sharing with you some tips on how you can achieve this wall art. But guys, if you want to see how everything turns out, then just stay tuned. Alright guys, I have decided to decorate my room, and I have learned that in order not to waste money, first thing you need to do is look and see what you have at your home already. Now, unfortunately, I didn't do that this time, but I ended up using one of the things I had already, which is this shower curtain. I love this shower curtain because it has the tree on it, and I just love nature and everything. So at one point in my back room, had, that thing. I don't have it anymore. And the way my bathroom is now, I absolutely love it. I made a video about it. Go check that video out, and you can upgrade your bathroom with things from the dollar store. So today we're going to be using the shower curtain, and also I picked up from Ross this canvas board. So this canvas board is a 36 by 48, and I am simply going to make some wall art for my bedroom. Let me show you the wall that I'm planning on trying to start with. This is the wall that I want to design. Now, at first I had my other piece of canvas stick right here, and it looks okay, but it's just too plain, it's just too open. I'll know when I have the right design of what I want to do with this wall, and then I can go from there and create the rest of the room. One of the most important things that you need to know, guys, is yes, when you get ready to design your wall and make your canvas board art, you need to figure out if you want it to go, do you want it to hang here? Do you want it to hang like this? Or do you want it to hang like this? Okay? I want mine to hang like this because to me it'll take up most of the wall. So I have my canvas board here, and I'm simply going to spread it out. Okay? I'm just going to spread it out to where I think I would want it. And I know that I want mine like this, basically. Okay guys, I'm also going to be sharing tips with you on how not to waste money decorating. I have wasted a lot of money decorating, and you know why? I have wasted a lot of money decorating because I wasn't true to myself. Okay guys, so I went and got a towel, I wet it, wrung it out real good, and I'm wiping the shower curtain where it has the wrinkles at. I have my iron set on 2. I'm just going over. Make sure you test whatever area you're not going to use on the shower curtain, make sure you test it first before you just jump in on your shower curtain with an iron. You don't want to burn it. So, oh, that gets the wrinkles out real good. Okay, so now we are done ironing. Okay, so now let's spread it out. Make sure your shower curtain is exactly how you want it to be. Centered, straight. To me, this is good right here. So what I am going to do is just put some, like, a staple on each corner, just to stabilize it. So now I'm just gonna, this is the edge of the board, so I'm just gonna go away from it, and I'm just gonna cut. But look at the edge of this. This material is gonna fray. So it's good that we left a lot of material on the end, because we're gonna fold that. We're gonna take the material on the end of our board and we're gonna fold it and staple it. So that way we ain't gotta worry about it constantly fraying on us. So that's the way it looks. Now it's just time to tuck and staple, right?